Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Nykaa haul video. तो मैंने अभी अपनी Instagram story पे भी डाला था that I have shopped so much from Nykaa. I got super tempted with the offers. मैंने बहुत कुछ खरीदा है और काफ़ी चीज़ें actually मैंने repurchase करी है. So you can actually say this कि ये मेरा एक favorites और new purchases दोनों का video है. Some of the things I bought for my mom also. I know how much everybody enjoys haul video and that's why I was super tempted to do this. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I got was this Nykaa concealer palette. तो इसके अंदर बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं. ये मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिए है तो थोड़ी सी डर्टी है बट या दिस हैज़ गॉट 6 शेड्स. दिस इज इन द शेड नंबर मीडियम. जिनके बहुत हैवी डार्क सर्कल्स है ना उनके लिए दिस पैलेट इज़ अ मस्ट बिकॉज इसकी कवरेज बहुत अच्छी है. तो अगर आपका नॉर्मल कंसीलर से आपके डार्क सर्कल्स नहीं छुप रहे ना देन यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन. इट हैज़ गॉट एन ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर ऑल्सो विच इज़ फैबुलस बिकॉज अगर आपको अपना डार्क सर्कल्स का कट डाउन करना होता है डार्कनेस तो यू डेफिनेटली नीड दिस. एंड या देयर इज वन कॉन्टोर शेड ऑल्सो विच इज आई थिंक द डार्केस्ट शेड इन द पैलेट. सो दिस वॉज लाइक अ मल्टीपर्पज पैलेट. तो इसीलिए मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से ये अपने कार्ट में रखी हुई थी एंड आई फाइनली गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस. गाइज आई वोंट बी टेलिंग यू द प्राइजेस ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज एक्चुअली अभी वो सेल नहीं है तो देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ मी टेलिंग यू कि मैंने कितने में लिया. बट या द लिंक्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स सो मेक श्योर यू चेक इट आउट बिकॉज नायका पे एनी हाउ हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सेल होती है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग वॉज दिस कीको मिलानो मस्कारा. दिस इज इन द शेड डार्क ब्राउन. मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि एक ब्लैक मस्कारा से हट के कोई कलर लूँ. एंड दिस इज द वॉन्ड. ये मैंने एक बार यूज करके देखा है तो ये काफ़ी लाइट है. ये इतना ज़्यादा आई डोंट थिंक आपके आई लैशेस को बड़ा कर देगा, इलोंगेट कर देगा. बट दिस इज आई थिंक अ ग्रेट मस्कारा फॉर डे टाइम व्हेन यू डोंट वांट दैट एक्स्ट्रा लेंथिंग ऑन योर लैशेस. यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. The next thing is again by Faces. This is a nail paint. This is by Faces Canada Splash. Okay, I can't find the name but मैं link में डाल दूंगी. तो एक ये काफ़ी मुझे अच्छा fall color लगा. This maroon shade, I really needed this in my vanity. So and it was actually very inexpensive. I think 80 या 100 rupees की ये थी. Okay guys, the next thing is by Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. Now I really needed one really nice intense black liner. तो this is how the pen looks like. कितना ज़्यादा sharp इसका nib है and I think this is going to be perfect if you are applying winged eyeliner. और मैंने एक बार अगेन ये भी यूज़ करा है. इसकी इंटेंसिटी काफ़ी जेट ब्लैक है ये. अगेन Maybelline इज़ अ ड्रग स्टोर ब्रांड सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस क्योंकि ये काफ़ी रीजनेबल था एंड काफ़ी ईजिली स्मूथली ये ग्लाइड हो गया आईज पे. Another thing which is similar to eyeliner लेकिन हर लड़की का favorite is a kajal. I got the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. My mom actually needed this. मैं ज़्यादा काजल यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. इसकी पैकेजिंग मुझे काफ़ी क्यूट लगी पिंक एंड ब्लैक एंड अगेन इसकी इंटेंसिटी भी अच्छी है काफ़ी. So this was like just your normal requirement that you have in your vanity. And actually I had to move on from the Maybelline Colossal and the L'Oreal one. I think the Matte Magique मैंने यूज़ करा है काजल तो ये Nykaa का मुझे अच्छा लगा, रीजनेबल लगा so I got it. I clearly got a lot of things from Faces. This is again one lip shade from Faces. It is a beautiful pink color. This is in the shade name Peachy Candy. ये काफ़ी everyday peach pink sort of a color है. I think मेरा वाला थोड़ा सा bubble gum pink वाला shade है but this is an everyday lipstick. I think it's going to suit a lot of skin tones so you can try this one out. This was again very reasonable. The next two things are from Maybelline Fit Me range. मैंने again ये repurchase करा है. I have been obsessed with the Fit Me range. इनका concealer and foundation is absolute must. If you're looking for a reasonable and a perfect foundation, I think Fit Me से आगे मुझे कोई भी इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा है. This actually I got from my mom because she doesn't apply a lot of foundation so I thought that this tube is going to be enough for her. And also I got her one concealer which is in the shade medium and this is in the shade Natural Buff 230. This is a matte poreless foundation normal to oily skin. I think ये सबसे best selling product है of Maybelline and I mean rightly so. They have actually nailed this foundation. The Fit Me foundation now actually comes in 3 packagings. तो एक ही एक ट्यूब वाली पैकेजिंग है, एक आपकी नॉर्मल ग्लास जार वाली पैकेजिंग है एंड नाउ दे हैव ऑल्सो अपग्रेडेड इट टू अ पंप वाला पैकेजिंग. एंड ऑफ कोर्स the price range varies. Okay guys, saving the most special for the last. Now this is a luxury product. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I have been eyeing this product for the longest time. I have heard so many reviews कि ये help करता है to plump your lips. I got a mini one because I was not sure whether it's going to be useful or not, and I think this was around 1000 rupees or 1100. इसका एक full size भी आता है which is I think 2500. So I really wanted to try what the hype was about. So till now I have tried it 2 times just to be sure of the review. तो ये actually बहुत हल्का सा sting करेगा for about 30-40 seconds के लिए. This is actually going to sting like you have थोड़ा सा मिर्ची on your lips, थोड़ा सा ही करेगा, not much. मैंने difference notice करा, ये बहुत ही I think around 60% डिफरेंस ले आता है लिप्स में, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज हाउ लेस डज दैट लास्ट. आई थिंक मेरे लिप्स पे इट ओनली लास्टेड फॉर मैक्सिमम हाफ एन आवर, एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज इनफ बिकॉज यू नीड अ प्रोडक्ट जो एटलीस्ट आपका 2-3 घंटे तो लास्ट करे इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच इन अ प्रोडक्ट. तो मुझे नहीं लगा कि इतना हाइप इसका करेक्ट है, although it does work, but if the longevity is like really less, then I mean what's the use even if it's working. But yeah, now that I've bought it, I'm going to use it. Yeah, and I will probably insert a picture somewhere so that you guys can see. But yeah, if you want to try it yourself, then you can buy, but I would suggest you all to actually buy the mini one so that you don't waste your money if it doesn't work. I think I was eyeing this product the most during this sale time, but ये sale पे था ही नहीं तो कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. इसके साथ मुझे एक प्राइमर फ्री मिला. दिस इज द Too Faced Hangover infused with coconut water. So this is a replenishing face primer. So I'm going to try this out, and if I like it, then probably I will buy this. But yeah, I think hands down from me for this product, एक बार ले लिया, I think मैं दोबारा नहीं लूँगी. Okay guys, so now coming on to some skincare. I again bought this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. This is one of the best face creams that I have ever used. This is great when you're starting off your makeup. ये बहुत अच्छा base set करेगी. तो मेरे पास ये है actually. I got this for my mom because even she loved it. This is really really good. It's not super oily. It's not super matte. It's right in the middle. The next thing that I got for myself was this O3 Professional Eye Circle Cream. This is a brightening and whitening cream. So O3 is a brand जो काफ़ी popular है with their skincare range, and I wanted to try an eye cream because I clearly have a lot of dark circles, and for that I do have to take a lot of care. तो अभी मैंने ये यूज़ करनी शुरू नहीं करी है, but I've got this. It also smells really really good somehow. So yeah, I'll try this and I'll let you know the review. The next 2 things are from Nykaa. I got their Lip Crush Macaron Lip Balm by Nykaa. This is in the shade Vanilla. कितनी cute packaging है इसकी. Also smells really nice of vanilla. Looks exactly like a macaron, and I mean इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारी range थी, but I chose vanilla because I'm a fan. And yeah, it is nice. ये easily काफ़ी buttery है और easily glide हो गया lips पे, so you can buy this. And the next one मैंने पहले भी बात करी थी. I have purchased this पहले भी, but this is in another variant. This is the Nykaa Wanderlust Body Butter in the name Sicilian Sweet Pea. इससे पहले मैंने Hawaiian Jasmine लिया था. Absolutely loved it. बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू है. People who really like to moisturize themselves, they need this product in their vanity because ये बहुत ज़्यादा moisturizing है. Like I mean clearly so it is a body butter after all. But actually इसकी खुशबू काफ़ी mellow है. I think if you guys are not a big fan of really scented moisturizers, then you can go for this one. But if you like deeply scented moisturizers, then you can buy the jasmine one. Okay guys, so with this we come to the end of the haul. This is all what I shopped for this particular sale. Sale time पे shop करना I think is the best thing. I'm going to provide all the links in the description box. So if you got tempted to buy any, you can go on to that link and buy it yourself. And also Zara H&M haul is coming up really soon. I got some clothes from there also. So I'm going to do a try on haul soon on that. So stay tuned to my channel and also subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and let me know which product did you guys like the most. And if you guys shop something from the sale and have absolutely loved, then recommend them for me in the comment section below. Okay guys, till then you take care and I'm going to see you very very soon. Bye.